Welcome, friends, to our channel. Welcome back to Travel the World en Creole. Today, Mario and I will have a short video for you on our trip in Detroit, Michigan.
Round we go.
बोला
So it was a short trip, day trip to Windsor, Canada, a province of Ontario. It was very nice. It's surprising how close that town in Canada is to Detroit in Michigan. That was so interesting. One thing we want to leave with you, on the way back, you will see at the border, you will see a lane for Nexus only. Do not take that lane unless you have your global entry card with you, and not just the driver. Every passenger in the car should have it. You must have it to take that lane. If you take that lane and you don't have your global entry card, you will get stopped. You will be stopped, and you will lose a couple hours for violation and so forth. So avoid that. All right, I hope you enjoyed that short video of Michigan. Please subscribe for us. If you liked the video, give us a like. And if you've done something like that where you cross borders so close to each other, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.